I'm 51 years old and I'm rebuilding my life from scratch. For years I felt stuck, like time had already run out. But recently I realized something. My life might actually be starting now. I grew up in North London in an environment that wasn't exactly built for stability. There was chaos, dysfunction, and very little guidance about life to help me develop as a boy into a man. For a long time, I drifted, trying different things, but never really building anything solid. Years passed faster than I expected, and before I knew it, I felt like I'd lost control of the direction of my life. Eventually, I was forced to pay attention to something I couldn't ignore anymore. My health wasn't great, my direction in life wasn't clear, and time kept moving forward, almost at warp speed, whether I was ready or not. I realized I'd spent years drifting, coping, and surviving, instead of actually building something real. And the truth was uncomfortable. If I didn't change things now, nothing was going to change. That moment forced me to take a hard look at my life and how I wanted to show up in the world. I realized nobody was coming to rebuild my life for me. If I wanted something different, I would have to build it myself. From scratch. That meant using my many past failures as fuel, learning new skills, changing how I think, my image, and taking responsibility for where my life goes next. It wouldn't be easy, but it would be honest. So now I'm rebuilding my life, step by step, learning new skills, rebuilding my health, and creating things again. I'm documenting the process honestly as it happens. This project is called The Vital Craft, and this is just the beginning.